Beneath the glitz and glamour of Monte Carlo, Monaco, there lies a world unseen, untouched, and unheard of by the majority. Monte Carlo, a name synonymous with luxury, wealth, and high-stakes intrigue. A city that dazzles with its iconic landmarks, the Casino de Monte Carlo, the Prince's Palace, the Opera House, each a testament to its opulence. And yet, beyond the glimmering facades and the champagne toasts, there exists a Monte Carlo that whispers stories of a past that many have forgotten. Stories etched into the stone walls of the old town, hidden in the narrow alleyways, or whispered by the azure waves of the Mediterranean. Stories that are as much a part of the city's heritage as the famed Grand Prix or the glittering casinos. These tales reveal a city that is more than just a playground for the wealthy, a city that has witnessed history unfold and evolve. But just like a coin, there's always another side to the story, a side that often goes unnoticed. Welcome to the magic of Monte Carlo. Before you go anywhere, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel, Unseen Wonders and Lesser Legends. Your support makes it possible for us to continue exploring the hidden gems of places on our bucket list, and to help us unearth the diamonds in the rough behind the limelight of traveling. Now let's sail back to Monaco and its most famous city of Monte Carlo. Away from the flashing lights and the roaring engines, there's a Monte Carlo that tells a different tale. In the heart of the city, away from the glitz and glamour, the real Monte Carlo whispers stories of a rich past and a vibrant present. Our first hidden gem in Monte Carlo is the Oceanographic Museum. Perched high on a cliff, this awe-inspiring institution houses a world-renowned oceanography and marine science collection. Built over 100 years ago by Prince Albert I, it offers an incredible view of the Mediterranean. Inside, you'll find an enchanting aquarium and a deep-sea exploration exhibit that will take you on a journey beneath the waves. Whether you're a marine enthusiast or just looking for a unique experience, this place is a must-visit. Now, let's take a stroll through the charming old town of Monte Carlo, known as Le Rocher. Nestled on a rocky promontory, this historic district is a maze of winding streets, medieval architecture, and hidden gems. Explore the Prince's Palace, soak in the history of St. Nicholas Cathedral, and visit small, family-owned shops offering local crafts and exquisite souvenirs. Le Rocher is the perfect escape from the glitzy casinos, offering a glimpse into the rich history and culture of Monaco. Our final stop is the exotic gardens of Monte Carlo, a botanical oasis nestled on a cliff overlooking the city. This lush paradise boasts a stunning collection of rare succulents and cacti, some of which are over a century old. The highlight of the visit is the Observatory Cave, a magnificent underground cavern filled with impressive stalactites and stalagmites. It's a unique journey into the heart of the earth, where you can learn about the fascinating geology of the region. There you have it, 3 not-so-known stories that add depth and wonder to your visit to Monte Carlo. From the Oceanographic Museum's marine wonders to the timeless charm of Le Rocher and the surreal beauty of the exotic gardens, this city is full of surprises beyond the glitz and glamour. So the next time you plan a trip to Monte Carlo, be sure to explore these hidden gems and create unforgettable memories. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel adventures. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, happy travel.